สวัสดีค่ะทุกคน Here is Krismuk, your Thai teacher from BananaThai Thai Language School นะคะ Welcome to the Read and Write Thai tutorial. In this video นะคะ I'm not only gonna help you with your reading and writing, but I will also help you with your pronunciation, especially with these words that are very confusing. Cow, 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 cow. Cow. What? They all sound the same. And I know that there are many students like you that are still confused with Thai pronunciation, Thai tone, and Thai, vowels. So in this video, you're not only gonna learn about reading and writing, but your pronunciation tip. But I will also prove that learning how to read and write Thai will also help your pronunciation. So with the pronunciation, there are different things, a few things that you have to bear in mind. The first thing is consonant sound. Beginning consonant sound, ending consonant sound. You have to pronounce them right. Second thing, vowel sound. Not only the vowel sound, but in Thai language, the vowel could also be short and long. Basically, Thai vowel sound have short sound and long sound. So if you pronounce them right, people will understand you better. And last one, the tones, okay? Thai is a tonal language, so it has to be right so people would understand it. So let's start with these words. Cow, 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 cow. So let's take a look at these words. So what you can see from these words, basically, most of them have the same beginning consonant, which is kho kai. These are kho kai, which is a high class consonant. Okay, kho kai is a high class consonant. Only this one, kho kwai, is a low class consonant. Of course, the classes of consonant also play a very important role for a tone. So for sure, this word and this word, even though the rest look the same, but the beginning consonant are different and are categorized in the different classes, these two words pronounce differently with different tones. So clear for the first thing. Second thing, you can also see that this one, let's take a look here. Sara'a has long sound. This is sara'a, right? All of these are, sara'a is a long vowels, has long vowel sound. Okay? While for this word below has sara'au. These are sara'au. See? Sara'au look like this, has a short vowel sound. So as you can see already, this one on the green one will be long sound, while this one in the orange one here will be short sound for the vowel sound. So now you can see already a bit of the differences, right? The differences between the classes of consonant, also the short and long vowel sound. Now the last thing that I want to mention is the tones, right? So first thing, let's do this one. This word, high class consonant with live syllable because the sound continue. Cow has a rising tone. So this word cow means white. Cow means white. Cow. Well, this one is also the same. Kho kai is a high class consonant, but also with with the live syllable because this word the sound is sonorant. Cow, right? Also a rising tone. So cow means horn, first thing, could also mean he or she, and could also be mountain in Thai. So 3 different meaning for the word cow. So look, but what are the difference between these two? This one has a long vowel sound. Cow means white, while this one short vowel sound. Cow means horn, he or she on the mountain. See? These two pronounce the same with the same tone, but different, length of the vowel sound. All good? Next one ค่ะ cow. As you can see, คอควาย is a low class consonant. Low class consonant with a live syllable because the sound go on cow has flat tone. So, to compare these two, cow, cow. See? Flat tone. Again, long vowel sound, flat tone. Cow. The word cow means fishy smell. I would say it's a negative meaning. It's something that is like very fishy, very meaty. Cow, like the blood smell or the fish smell. We call it cow or เหม็น cow. Fishy, smelly. เหม็น cow. Okay ไหมคะ Next one ค่ะ still let's continue this one. Long vowel sound นะคะ ขอไข่ high class consonant with my egg has a low tone. So long sound นะคะสระอา long sound cow 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 means news cow like the newspaper cow สด fresh news cow. Why compared to this one with a short vowel sound, but same tone นะ cow also low tone as well. Okay, because ขอไข่ high class consonant with my egg low tone, but with a short vowel sound. So this is cow. Cow means knee. So, oops, here. This is cow. This is cow. Cow. Long sound. Cow. Short sound. Cow. News. Cow. Knees. Alright? So cow and cow. And last one, these two ค่ะ ขอไข่ high class consonant with my toe has a falling tone. Cow. Again, long vowel sound เนาะสระอา cow. Cow means rice. Cow. กินข้าว to eat rice. Well, this one ค่ะ ขอไข่ high class consonant with my toe the same falling tone เนาะ Oops. So, falling tone, but short sound, not cow, but cow. Cow. Cow means to get in. So, as you can see, cow, white. Cow, he or she, horn, mountain. Cow, flat tone, fishy smell. Cow, low tone, long sound, news. Cow, low tone, short sound, knee. Cow, falling tone, long vowel sound, mean rice. While cow, falling tone, short sound means to get in as a verb. So now you can already see the difference between these 7 different words. They are different, pronounced differently, but as you can see, reading and writing will help you. If you know how to read and write, if you know the rule, your pronunciation will be better and you will also be able to differentiate these confusing words. So, what do you think about it? Do you have any question? If you have any question, please comment below or check out my Ultimate Guide to Thai Reading program. The program with 45 lessons to help you be able to read basic Thai and understand all these rules within 2 to 3 months. So, see you in the next episode. Bye bye ค่ะ cow 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 cow